Hey everyone! So today we're unboxing and testing this Hiseeu Smart Wi-Fi security camera. Alright, now let's open it up and see what's inside. The first thing you're greeted with is a user manual. Then we've got the power cable, some screws and wall plugs for mounting, and finally the camera system itself. Now let's go through everything in detail. This is the user manual. It's very detailed, printed in color, and covers everything you need to know about setting up and operation. Definitely worth reading before you get started. Next, inside this small bag, we have the waterproof protective sleeve for your internet connection. That is to make sure your wired connection stays safe from rain and moisture. A very nice touch. Next, we've got the mounting screws and wall plugs, along with an ejector tool for the micro SD card slot. Now, this is your power supply. This is what you're going to use to power the camera. It has a nice long cable for convenience. And here is the star of the show, the camera itself. It has a sleek design with the single main lens at the bottom and a PTZ head that can rotate side to side and tilt up and down. You've got the brand logo right in front and mounting holes underneath so you can easily attach it to the wall. Here we have a reset button, the power port, and an internet port. Underneath, you'll find a micro SD card slot where you can insert your card to record and save your footage locally. Now for a quick installation demo. Let's pretend this piece of wood is my wall. All you need to do is screw in the mount like this. That's it. It's installed. Now let's power it on. I've attached a power cable and plugged it into my power source, and it instantly powers up. I've already connected it to the app, and as you can see, the responsiveness is very fast. You can pan and tilt directly from your phone, and it's super smooth and instantaneous. Alright, now here's a little tour of the settings from the app. Now let's move on to some test footage. Here's the daytime footage. As you can see, it's very crisp, bright, and colorful. The picture quality is sharp and the 4K resolution really stands out. It should be noted that the footage looks even better in person. This is just a screen recording, which does not do the quality justice. Now for a nighttime test. This is in complete darkness. The camera automatically switches to infrared mode and you can still see clear, detailed footage, even with no light at all. Now, when I turn the spotlight back on, it switches to full color night vision and wow, this thing is super bright and fully in color. The light is strong enough to illuminate your entire viewing area. Overall, I am really impressed with this camera. It's smart, responsive, weatherproof, and delivers high quality 4K video both day and night. I definitely recommend this for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable smart camera to protect their home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.